In today's video, I'm going to walk you through how to launch a website on Hostinger in just a few simple steps. This process is perfect for beginners and also works great if you just need a quick reminder on how everything fits together. So by the end of this guide, you'll have a fully functioning website ready to customize and publish. Let's get started. Begin by opening your preferred web browser and navigating to Hostinger's official website. Hostinger is well known for its fast, affordable hosting plans and an extremely user-friendly interface, making it a top choice for anyone building a site. Once the homepage loads, you'll be greeted with several tools and services designed to help bring your ideas online smoothly and reliably. Now, move your attention to the top right corner of the screen and click on the Login button. If you don't already have an account, you'll see an option to create one instantly. But in this video, we'll assume you're already signed up and ready to go. After entering your credentials, you'll be taken directly to the H panel. This dashboard is the central hub where you'll manage every part of your hosting environment, from websites to domains to performance tools. Take a moment to get familiar with the layout, especially if this is your first time using it. Once you're comfortable, look at the left-hand menu and locate the section labeled Websites. Click it to open your website management page. If this is your first site, the page may look empty, but that's completely normal. To begin building your online presence, find the Add Website button and click it confidently. You'll now be presented with a few different options depending on what you're aiming to do. For this tutorial, choose Create a Website to start fresh with a brand new setup. If you already have a website somewhere else and want to migrate it, Hostinger provides a smooth migration option as well. But today, we're building from the ground up. Next, you'll see an option asking whether you want to use a temporary domain. This is an excellent feature for beginners or for anyone who wants to get started quickly without buying a domain right away. Select Use Temporary Domain so your site can be created instantly, allowing you to design and experiment before committing to a permanent domain name. Once you choose the temporary domain option, Hostinger will begin preparing the foundation of your new website. The setup process is smooth and guided, making sure you don't miss any important steps. From here forward, Hostinger's website builder and tools will walk you through adding pages, choosing a design template, and customizing everything you need to bring your vision online. It's simple, intuitive, and perfect for launching a website fast. And that's all there is to it. You've now officially launched your website on Hostinger and are ready to continue building, editing, and refining it however you like. If you found this step-by-step guide helpful, be sure to like and subscribe for more easy tutorials just like this. Happy hosting and enjoy creating your new website.